Welcome. Today's video is on the BH Cosmetics Lunar New Year 2021 Edit eyeshadow palette. That was a mouthful. Chinese New Year is coming up. It is the year of the ox, and I was going to attempt to create a makeup look involving an ox, but that was well out of my comfort zone, and I don't even want to imagine what I would have come up with, because telling you now, it wouldn't be an ox. So BH Cosmetics came out with an eyeshadow palette. They saved the day. These shades are incredible. Like, we're talking a lot of shades. Like, look at these pressed glitter shades. I didn't actually use these in my makeup because I do react to them, but look at them. They are mental. So if I'm going to swatch these for you, because I'm not going to use them, and I'm really sad that I can't use them, and they're really, really pretty. Look at them. So I'm just going to give you a close-up. Sadly, I will not be using these shades. I know, it annoys me too, so I'm sad. But I use the other shades. I'll use pretty much the majority of the palette. If you want to, keep on watching to see what I thought of the palette. I'm going to give you a heads up. The shades blend amazingly. So this palette doesn't actually have a mirror, so that is annoying, but I feel like most of the videos that I filmed so far this year have all had no mirrors in the palette, which is a shame because it is always handy to have a palette with a mirror in it, but there we go. I'm going to start off with the more transitioning shades, so I'll be, I don't know what I'm talking about. This chair is squeaky. Let's watch Lotus Flower, and then the Gates of China. And then I'm going to swatch Money and a Yellow Mountain, and just, ooh, look at them. So I'm going to see what they come out as a, just pulling out my jumper sleeves, as a transition shade. Where am I swatching this? Ooh, they look nice. So I'm just going to see, what one should we go for? I'm going to take, I believe, let's take the Gate of China, which is the shade here, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. So I'm just going to take a crease brush, that'll do, take the Gate of China, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease, like so. And I'm going to do both eyes the same look, because I feel like I've done like 2 different makeup looks in videos. And okay, so that's a really nice makeup look. No, it's a really nice shade. This curl is just doing like nothing. Blending really nicely. I'm using the Morphe brushes from the Sweet Oasis collection. I did do a video on the whole collection, so be sure to check that one out. And then I'm going to swatch for you the shade Warriors, Fortune, Great Wall and Mandarin, because I feel like these shades will be quite good outer corner transition shades. So I'm just going to swatch them on my arm where I don't know, and oh, they look so nice. So I am going to use, I think I'm actually going to take the shade Warrior, and I'm going to apply that to my crease. So I'm just taking that shade Warrior, and there is a little bit of fallout, but fallout doesn't really seem to bother me because you're going to get it. I am going to apply this just in my crease, I think, because I feel like that will be a nice transitioning shade. And I did try to find out the price of the palette, but it doesn't seem to be available on Beauty Bay anymore, which is really strange. That's where I got it from. I can't actually remember the price, so I'll link the palette in the description bar below so you can check it out if you want to. Let's take the shade Fortune. I'm going to put that just slightly, using the same brush, slightly just there. And I'll just want to make it as dark as possible, if that makes sense, because I've got quite a few shades to work with. So if I can just make the eye makeup look as dark as possible, then I feel like we have succeeded. Okay, so that's really nice. It's blending quite dreamily. That's not really a word. It's blending honestly like a dream. And I will take a shade to blend the edges, but so far I'm actually quite happy with that. I'm just going to take the shade Yellow Mountain. I'm going to apply it just to my brow bone. Oh, wow, that is insane. Look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that. I've never seen such a pigmented yellow. That, oh my god. So I'm just going to test the deeper shades. So we've got, did I test Great Wall? I'm going to test Great Wall anyway. So Great Wall, Red Panda, Lantern, and then this one down here called Yin. And these are going to be my outer corner shades. So, oh, look at them. These are pigmented, I'll tell you that. So I'm going to take the shade Great Wall and apply that to my outer corner. Oh, look at that. These are blending beautifully. And I'm not even exaggerating. Like, look how, I can't even, I'm speechless. These shades are blending amazingly. And then just taking the smallest amount of the shade Yin, I'm going to apply that to my outer corner and just giving it more depth. So, because I really love how smoky it's becoming. Oh, look at that. Even the black shade is, these are blending like a dream. I could sit here all day and just blend. I'm going to show you the shimmer shades. You've got Yang, you've got Temple of Heaven, Mooncake, Empress, and Jade. So if I just swatch them for you there, and I'm going to do it on my glittery hand. Have I done all? Okay, so that's all the shades there, not this, that's glitter. Yeah, so they're all the shades, so they look really pretty. I'm really liking that jade shade. I've decided to play it safe, and I'm going to take a small brush, and I'm going to take the shade Mooncake, because the glitters are very glittery, and my arm is literally covered in glitters, and I don't really want to put that on my eyes at the moment, because I do react to pressed glitters. Oh, look at that gold. Oh, that has just transformed the look. That is, oh, that is such a perfect gold shade. Look at that. Okay, so I really like that. I'm gonna try that on a finger and see. Oh, it's even more shimmery. Okay, I really like that. I'm just going to jump off camera, do my other eye, and then I'll be back with a full makeup look on this palette. BH Cosmetics is absolutely killing it. This is the finished makeup look. Let me just give you a close-up. Honestly, the shades beautifully blended nicely. So if you want to get your hands on this palette, I definitely recommend you doing that, because all these shades are going to be used again. I was expecting to be creating more of a red proper light inspired by the Chinese New Year. Yeah, it's kind of gone a bit more smoky, and I'm just absolutely loving it, you know, so that is good. The lip shade that I have on my lips currently is one that I haven't used for a while, which is the MAC Viva Glam No. 3. I haven't used this in ages, so it's been great. I like it. So let me know what you thought of this makeup look. I am obsessed with this look, and the shades are just amazing. So if you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe so you'll see more of me. And that is all. So I'll see you in my next video.